One of the great joys of autumn is suddenly to discover a plant that is producing copious masses of self-sown seeds on the ground underneath it. This is the common myrtle, Myrtus luma, and you can see here we've got flowers, and you can see here we've got ripe seeds. At first they're sort of purplish, and then they go black when they're ripe. They're very squashy, and each of those black seeds contains more than one individual seed. And when we look down on the ground, here is the exciting bit. Underneath this small tree or large shrub, we have got an absolute mass of seedlings. Now, these seedlings would have germinated in the autumn, in the spring of this year, and they're only about an inch tall. We can pull them up fairly easily, and they've got quite a good root system on them. If we tried to dig them up earlier, they'd have had floppy new growth, and it would have been difficult to transplant them. As it is now, we've got as many myrtles as we like here, and it's cost us nothing as nurserymen to pot them on and produce a huge quantity. When you look around, there are literally tens of thousands of myrtle seedlings that have germinated here under this bush. There's one that's a couple of years old, but the rest of them are just 1 year old. A lot of your herbaceous plants will produce self-sown seed around them like this next spring. Just go and have a look at some of your shrubs that fruit and set seed like this myrtle does, and in some parts of the country, particularly the drier parts of the country where you've got a hot dry bank with no competing grasses or weeds or foliage cover, suddenly you may discover a panacea of seedlings which will cost you nothing and which allow you to pot something up for the next big sale in your garden open day, or for something that actually costs nothing and is really great value.